Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. In the last video we looked about this dashboard overview, but in this video we will see about this website. If you remember that last video we told about that sell order that created from the website when you shop. So here provided here this home page and also provided here is Odoo Nursery, your growing varieties, plants manager, pet tree, etc. You can see here this full shop. And now first of all provided here this tree and shrub. And provided here this 4 product we have. And now select here this which you want. And now display here this lavender heat coat 1 liter. And also display here this quantity and this $4. So now I want to purchase total 9, and now I have to cart this, view cart and do payment this. So now created order number is 49. So when you go to back inside and go to your quotation orders, then display here as a quotation order 14 number 9 and display here with this total quantity, total live available quantity and with this total amount. So when you deliver this, like validate this, deliver order, and now create invoice for this order. Now confirm it and this paid. So now again go to this website and again try to shop the nursery and select here the same product like lavender and then display here deduct quantity, it means 1190 instead of this 1199. So in this nursery and plant management app, from the very first cutting your plant all the way to the final sale and delivery, we covered in the setting up your plant catalog and configuration, growing the tracking every bit stage by stage, watering, feeding and spraying logs, compliance, safety holds, license and legal certificates, royalty for products varieties, live availability and sales, also provided in this dashboard report and your online stores. So this one app replaces spreadsheets, paper logs and coursework and gives you full control of your nursery from seeds to sale in one place. So if you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.